This is the new feature that recently came in and it's just awesome. You can add these features to how many you want. You can allow coupon codes to be entered. You can either ask them to donate or pay or book as well. Alright guys, welcome back to another video in the GoHighLevel overview series. In this video, we're going to be talking about how you can create payment links and how you can send those to your clients to receive payments. Okay, so without any further delay guys, let's start. So first of all, log into the CRM, log into the GoHighLevel CRM, and in this main section here, click on payments. And you'll see a section here called payment links. Mind you, this is a new feature that recently came in and it's just awesome. Okay, so for the payment links to work, you need to have your Stripe integrated. Okay, so click on payment links. And okay, before you generate the payment link, let me just explain. We need to have the products created. So if you have seen the last video guys, the product video, we created a new product for it. If you have not seen it, go back, click on the link below and have a look at the previous video. And there you'll see how you can create a product. So once that product is created, then you'll be able to create the payment link specifically. Okay, so we had this test product created in the last video, remember, $200,000. And now I'm going to be showing you how to create a payment link for this. So we come here, we click on create a payment link. And we can either select a product. So I'm just going to be selecting this test product here. This is how it's going to appear. And then, you know, you can add these features to how many you want, like if you want them to do 2 quantities or 3 quantities or whatever quantity that you prefer. I'm just going to stick to 1. And then, you know, options require customers to add a phone number. Okay, you can make it mandatory. I just did here. If you want to collect their address, that's fine too. That is usually for e-commerce products that you're selling. But if you're just selling the digital products, then you don't need to add this. So I'm just going to leave it now. And then coupon codes. Okay. If you saw the last video, guys, we showed you how to create coupon codes for based on a percentage and based on a certain value. So you can allow coupon codes to be entered, and based on that, whatever discount that specific coupon allows, that value would drop that amount specifically. Okay, and then you can allow our customers to adjust quantities. Okay, so like I said, you can put in minimum can be 1 and maximum can be maybe 20, or whichever you prefer. Okay, and then last but not the least is you can either ask them to donate or pay. Okay, so or book as well. Okay, so I'll just do pay because I want to collect the payments, and then branding can be added or removed. If whatever you prefer, I'm just going to remove it because it's a dummy account. And then terms and conditions, I can add it there. Now, when I create the payment link, we need to test it. Okay, so we have option to either taking it live or testing it first. So I'm just going to put it on test for now. Okay, sorry, I'm just going to remove the terms and conditions because it's empty. So I'm going to just put in for test mode for now. Just to show you guys how it actually should function. So whenever you click on preview,